Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little teeny bitty Dollar Tree haul. First I want to say thank you for stopping by if this is your first time here, and welcome back if you've been here before. This is just a quick little haul from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, awesome weekend, and I'm just going to jump right in. Whole bunch of envelopes, some padded envelopes, I think 4 of these, pretty padded ones, and then they go one of these file organizers I use to put dies in them. I like them because they snap, you know, and they have plenty of room. So I put some of my bigger dies in here. Wanted clear, but they didn't have any more clear ones, but I just got this one in pink because I had a couple more large dies that I wanted to put in one of these. Picked up some of the beads, the wood beads, 125 piece. Picked up this little utility box. Walmart has these same bead ones. I already had these before, but I just picked up 3 more. And I got this one, Lisa from Miss Little Scrappy had one of these. I thought these was cute too for this shape because I'm always used to the round ones, but I like this little elongated one. And I saw her, you can make this into a belly box, belly box. But I might put the head pins and stuff in here. And then I picked up just some pocket organizers. My daughter said she did some presentations. These might be nice. For some different stuff that she has to organize in her office. So I got like 3 of these. Yep, and you know, you just got the little tabs right here. You can write on as well or put a label on. So I got 2 blue and 1 black. And then I just got a tiny haul from Walmart. I got some more of these alpha beads, the bright colors. And then the alphabets, the black colors. Just because I ran out of vowels on my other ones, man. Tell you, don't give you enough vowels. And then I ended up picking up this acrylic bead mix, which was basically like it's blue. It's a nautical theme. You got your starfish in here, but all the beads and stuff are blue, and you got some coral in it. So nice, kind of like marina mix beads. That was the first time I saw them, or maybe the first time I paid attention. But anyway, I picked that up. So that is my tiny little haul. Sorry about that, my video got cut off. One thing I want to say before I close up my video is that if you notice that my comments been cut off, it's because YouTube has been shadow banning me, and Instagram as well. Don't know why. I haven't said anything controversial on this channel, on my Instagram. I don't know what the deal is. Don't really care. But it's purposeful. Every time I get a new subscriber, I lose. It'll say, like on my Instagram, I stopped counting after 150 people. And that was early in the year. Since January, I noticed they've been doing this. And I mean, one day I posted something about Dollar Tree. I had got like 25 new subscribers. And I went down 3. Then the next day I got like 14, I went down 3. Then the next day I got 7, I went up 3. So it's always like 3, they go down and up, but they purposely are not giving me my subscribers. They are not promoting my videos, and they're purposely cutting off my comments. I have to cut them back on several times before they stay on. They're doing it also on my other channel, his Scribe. I don't know, but that's their algorithms. They have some issues with me, and I can't resolve it. So just to let you know, so if you can't comment on my videos, that is why. It's because YouTube is shadow banning me for no reason, because I have not violated any of their policies. I don't even make comments on other people's videos that is controversial. So anyway, so thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.